We grow up being told what we should be. Follow the familiar path. Take the safe route. But no one asks, what if you want to create something of your own? What if you want to tackle real challenges, make a difference, and build something that could change lives? The journey isn't easy. It's full of challenges, and the road can be lonely. But for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can shape not only your future, but the future of your community. But you don't have to walk it alone. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 is here to support those who are ready to rise above the barriers. This is more than a competition. It's a movement, a chance to access the mentorship, resources, and support you need to make your impact bigger, to take what you've started and scale it to new heights. This challenge, launched by the government of Meghalaya, is designed to support innovative businesses and early-stage enterprises. It's more than just a competition, it's a platform that offers mentorship, funding, and resources through Prime's 9th-month incubation program. If you're a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business and are ready to scale, this is your chance. The top 75 will receive business support grants, with the top 35 receiving 2 lakhs and the top 40 earning 1 lakh to fuel their growth. You'll also get access to incubation programs, networking opportunities with successful entrepreneurs, and a suite of essential startup tools. In addition, you'll benefit from one-on-one mentoring with seasoned professionals, boot camps to sharpen your skills, and access to funding, market connections, and co-working spaces in Shillong and Tura. It's time to go beyond dreaming. The future is yours to shape.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
General Secretary ke FKJGP Nongmensong Circle, Alan Karkongor, Ulong Bakidan South League Building Nongmensong, Kibalatay Bansam Yang Shiki Baduk, Yakabaladep Bantay na Wasnam Arajar Pra Arajar Kandai. Nrementa kila-kala kikitam jaki kam auria, namar katanat nresor kampat sam satiay kinikiyeng Shiki Longiing Kibaduk kiberi hok banyo yaki. Ulong bagani kajaka menta kala-kala kung kakitam jaki kam auria kabobo jingma kipadba kibayat bayang hakatan Nongmensong lumpira. Wakum tak keseng keladawan sembut Menteri Rangba Kejala ban pendap dok kam kloy ban maramat ban aiti ki beliau ki Baduk. Uli itu ru ban kaliang sembut Menteri Rangba uli itu bakatanat keladapan create a detailed project report bat hakasnam banwan an pendap no ban maramat yakin ki yang Baduk.
Tinglawan kenduk mentayo. Minister dian jung ulu loong ba yakni kam la ada pembiang di DPR na sidang. De wong hana bahunius nam banwan ni ya kam punya anak sekolah. Dan kalian jenging yang tak kan jenging jenging ke David nak senang jenging senior nanti ngelap punya semula. Kalian juga orang tua yang cuma kaya kan ni berkat DPR kalau baik harus teman-teman lara ka. Nak kalian jenggu minister ada pen lara kamlong kamu uang ba ke DPR kan ni anak kam sekolah dan kalian jenging keseng ni siapa yang sejam kam ni. Di kebelah saat teng kan dong mentala lagi license senam. Ke building juga ke haba urban building Baduk kepada yang ke building Baduk dia mentah kalau pending we kata ke kam sniu pelabuhan jat nanti dan kalian juga like kram dulu ngompet bantai ke jing sniu pelabuhan ke hantam bakatu yang keladap hajing sya keladap anda ki klam sam tu por beri sam nak ke yang ki pen sateng itu yang dia mentah tu yang kelak dah kan kelak damage lah no mak telah hab renovate mereka dia ke pisam tak government ke hab sanction meng tu Ajing syari kali ke beladap. Dah kasam tu kopor merkas government tu kemudian jingnya sukai. Dan hadirin bakal government ni kamsa mereka mentah kalau ada ulit. Kaji pelut yang sahabat pak. Menhap renovate yang madong sedong ki damage bro hadu tu sing belai sakilang mah buat sulong mir. Kita he ji baik ji kenduk ni ban ban yang kita.
Kan tu ki building kita tu.
Min balak complete di south tu. Di total untuk kalau rusak. Ki Longiing Baduk belakang kita yang rusak.
Ki building bumper sabre dah.
Oh, kita kan kita saw building. Jadi belak ajing syak kita belak complete. Mau kita belak complete. Nak ajing bom sampan aku tu apa? Mentah kalau kelar yang tebak. Bajot lah prarathai dia. Ajing yang teh kada bet jok nong song kan tu. Adu kadang rakam seni aku lai pujat ente. dang hakini kisngiru ngidang yo bat hi ki bawan situ haka siteng mian nakaliang kadong buat mangi ngidang yo bat biang te nakaliang kasnong ru ngilai iya ka senam beladap kilap ha kan ya ba ki kwa pendap nak kan ya kan ka kam ke belah sak teng hari nyim i nan ba ka kam kan ya semat kan sengi la ka sarkar kam sim khiai kan kumbala kular mentah kini kisnam banwan abong ke DPR ap biang la kam ta la sarkar kam sim khiai kan ni na ka sengin sim ke simjan ba kilong kemi bat ki darbar snong rengkap bagi seng badang snong jingi ni ami kan semat